Hi guys, thanks for tuning into the Scan Tool Network. In this video we're doing a quick demonstration of the Autofix D1 tool. I'm going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. It's a fabulous tool. You can see how slimline and sleek this is. It actually is made by the Autel company, who are a really reputable brand, but they've put like they've got like a side project on the go at the moment with the Autofix tools, and these are like such slimline, fantastic little tablets. And they really do pack a powerful punch. So we've got a few faults on this Land Rover Discovery, which I'll show you this tool diagnosing and resetting these faults. But as I say, I am going to pop the link to this kit in the description below this video. Make sure you use those links because there are fakes, there are clones on the market, and they can damage your vehicle. So you can see there's no wires coming out of this tool. It's a completely Bluetooth package. We've got a dongle right down there somewhere. You probably can't see it on camera. You might be able to, but it's a wireless connection, and you can see we've got like a little green BT logo here, so that tells us that's connected to the vehicle. What we can do is we can just click into diagnostics, and we're going to find our manufacturer. So it's European. It covers lots of manufacturers. If you see a little green arrow next to each icon, which you can here, that just basically means that there is a software update available for the tool. So we're going to go did I select Land Rover? I did, yeah. So we select manually select our vehicle. So it's a Discovery. It's a Discovery 2007, I believe. So it's 05 to 09. It's a diesel V6. Click yes to that. And what we'll do is we'll have a look at the engine fault first of all. We previously diagnosed this engine fault, and it told us that there was a faulty mass airflow sensor, or MAF. So we've put a new MAF in, and basically what we need to do is just basically erase the trouble codes, which should then tell the ECU that the fault has been fixed, and we can erase the warning light. So if we go to Diagnosis, Control Unit, we go Powertrain Control Module, and then trouble codes. It's actually giving us a lot of faults here. We have this HVAC, one of the vents is currently not connected up because we're having a problem with that. We're having a problem with the instrument cluster as well, so that's been like connected, disconnected a few times. It's like intermittent. It's an intermittent fault on it where everything just completely dies, but we've got it working at the moment for the purpose of the test. And these are the faults we were getting, the bottom three relating to the check engine light. So what I'm going to do is we've put the new MAF in. Just click on to erase codes. Click yes to that. When I click yes to this, just keep an eye on the check engine light, and there we go. Trouble codes are no longer detected. You can go in and check that. So there's no trouble codes, the check engine light has gone. And then we can go and do the same for the airbag system, which is this little lady here. We'll go restraints control module. In fact, what I'll do is I'll pop my seatbelt on, just so that we'll get rid of the seatbelt light. And it's the same process, trouble codes. This one, we've triggered this fault. We've unclipped the passenger airbag connection. So we've got another communication cluster fault, and then the rest of them are relating to the airbag on the passenger side. But we've put everything back together, so again it's just a case of erase codes. When I click yes, keep an eye on the check engine light, sorry, the airbag light. This takes a few more seconds to turn off. There we go, that has been done. So we can go back, and now what we're left with is these three here, and also known as the three amigos. So that's the brake warning light, the ABS warning light, and the traction control warning light. So this one is kind of the same but a little bit different. If we go into the what is it? Depending on the vehicle, it's like listed as different things. Here we go, VDM, Vehicle Dynamics Control Module. So we click on that, and then we go trouble codes. So this is what we were getting, a front right ABS sensor. Again, we've got a cluster fault here, control module fault, but we ultimately found a faulty ABS sensor on the front right of the vehicle. It's a front right as you're sitting in the vehicle, so we've put that right, we've put a new sensor in, and now it's just a case of erasing codes again. But when I erase the codes this time, you'll probably find that the warning lights won't automatically turn off. Trouble codes not detected, and you can read codes again. It's telling you that they're not there, but why are the warning lights still on? Well, this system requires a reboot of the engine, so If we just turn the engine off and then turn it back on, you'll probably find that the warning lights will turn off. There we go. So all of the warning lights have gone off, and it's all thanks to this Autofix D1 tool. Like I say, it covers a huge range of manufacturers, huge range of systems within those manufacturers. So I will pop a link to this kit in the description below this video. It's a great little slimline tool, perfect to carry in your glove box at all times. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.